Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can increase volume on your iPhone in iOS 18 update, or in your newer phone like iPhone 16 Pro Max, as in my case. So as you can see that there is an option button here of volume up and volume up and volume down. Okay, so you need to just press and hold it and it will automatically turn on the volume, or otherwise you just need to check if your phone is on silent mode or is in a ring mode. You just need to hold and press this first button here. As you can see, just hold it for a second and it will say that you put your phone into silent mode. Just if you put it again, it will put back into the ring mode. Another option that we have to see or increase the volume, just go to the settings here, and after going to the settings you just need to scroll down and just go to the sound and haptics. After going to sound and haptics, make sure that your ringtone and phone alert volume is high and your phone is not on silent mode. So that's how you can increase your volume on iPhone in iOS 18 update and more. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I hope we can help you more in upcoming videos. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll try to answer as soon as I can. Thank you very much.